Good morning, Photoshoppers, or evening, or afternoon, whatever it is where you happen to be. Now in this video I want to show you a transform function that seems to be a bit relatively unknown by many as it isn't where you'd expect it to be, and this is with the rest of the transform commands. Okay, now please don't forget, visit my website livelinktraining.com for loads more videos on Photoshop, Lightroom and photography. Here you can subscribe to my newsletter, or you can register for a member account and get access to lots more free member only tutorials. Now please don't forget, this would really help me if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can do this by just scooting down to the bottom here and clicking on the YouTube link here. And also, if you like what you see, please share it with others on these other social platforms. And you can do that by just clicking one of these little icons here. Okay then, well let's dig straight in. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Right, now first I'll create a new document. Doesn't really matter what size it is, we'll just pick one from the preset list. And I'll pick an A4. And then I'll just click create. It's just a piece of paper for us to start drawing on, really. Okay, now I'd like the background disappearing, so this padlock, so I'm going to click on the padlock so I've got a box standard layer. And now what I'm going to do is create a selection. Doesn't matter how you do it, I'll just pick the rectangular marquee tool and I'll click and drag and then let go. So I've now got a selection. And I might look at this and think, oh, it's not quite the right size, this. Okay, what can I do? Well, I could transform it. That's a great idea, thinks I. Okay, well, Control and T to transform, or you can go to Edit and down to Free Transform. And if you're on a Mac, that's Command and T. Whoops, I've just deselected it. We'll come back again. There we go. And now what I can do, I can hover over one of these corners and I'll click and I'll drag it in. And I go, oh, just a minute, I've just cut a hole in my image. And this is because the transform command works on pixels. Well, what I want to do is actually just transform the selection. I don't want it to do anything with the pixels. Okay, well, let's just undo that. So we'll edit and undo, or Control and Z, or Command and Z if you're on a Mac. And now what I'm going to do is go to this relatively hidden command. Select and transform selection. Now it puts the same control handles up, but this time if I grab a corner, it just transforms the selection. Is that not cool? So now I've not got any big ugly holes that I've cut in the actual image itself. And when I've done, to accept the transform, all I do is I can double click inside the transform, or I can go up to the tool options bar at the top and click on the tick. And there we have it. All done. Well, that's it for now. A small but powerful command to transform selections rather than the pixels. Right, I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.